Hey folks, I wanted to make another video today to give you guys an update on how the experiment on glass gem corn turned out, where I've planted different color kernels to see if that has any impact on what kind of corn it does grow. So let's begin. This here is corn from the red kernels. Essentially all these 16 plants have produced corn, which is, as you can see, predominantly red. This here is corn from the seeds which were off-white, and you can see it did produce the corn which is off-white in color. It lacks any other colors essentially, and that's what it looks like. And here's the corn from light pink kernels, and you can see it did produce corn mostly which is light pink and the cooler colors predominantly. Here is the corn from orange kernels. As you can see, it produced mostly orangish, yellowish, warm colors in the corn. Here's the corn from seeds which looked almost black, and they looked like where my thumb is, that color, and I planted like 6 or 7 plants of that just as an experiment, and guess what? It produced corn which is extremely dark colored than the rest of the groups. Here is the corn from green colored kernels, and you see it did produce a lot of green colored kernels in this one. So the seeds I planted looked like pretty much this color. And this is the corn from yellow colored kernels, very similar to the orange ones. This is the corn from light blue color kernels. These look very different from the rest of them. One of the prettier colors. And now I have one left. So there you have it, folks. You can get all these different colors from glass gem corn. They are colorful in themselves, but this one is orange. This one was from orange seeds. This one was from red seeds. This one was from light pink seeds. This one was from almost black looking seeds, and this one was from very pale whitish looking seeds, and that's what they produced. So seems like there is some correlation to what kind of corn you can produce from glass gem kernels. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.